am overwhelmed with gratitude and I don't even know where to begin. I want to start by thanking my family who have been my rock throughout this journey. To my friends who have been like a family to me. Thank you for being there through the late night study sessions, the laughters, and the tears. To our esteemed teachers, I am forever grateful for the knowledge, guidance, and wisdom you have imparted to us. Your dedication, passion, and commitment to our education have inspired us to strive for excellence. To our institution, I am proud to have been a part of this vibrant community. The opportunities, resources, and experiences provided